And that's 3 reasons why you should use video to engage your crypto community. I'm Bryan Colligan.
And I'm Rosse Gates.
And today we're going to tell you, after months of managing communities in the crypto space, we're going to give you 3 tips on why you should use video for your crypto community. The first tip is all about resetting the conversation. We go on many different Discords and Slacks and Telegrams, and it's just empty, dead space where people haven't responded for days. But if you have a video post in your community, you can restart and reset the conversation. This is incredibly important because many times people in the community will get off topic and you want to get them back to your talking points. What's really important about your product or service that's going on? You can post a 1 to 3 minute video and reset the conversation and get people right back online.
Number 2 is information density. Video has the highest information of any platform, from audio to visual to writing, because it takes both what's being said and the information being conveyed and puts it into context of how it was thought up or where it came from. So when you're talking to an expert, you can see whether or not the CEO of a company is confident in what they're saying when they present it to others, and they can see whether or not the people in that field believe in what they're saying. If you see some body language from the expert saying, I don't know, maybe you should do some more research on that, then you get the fuller picture.
Exactly. I also appreciate the information density aspect of video because I am an audio learner. I don't like to read as much as I like to listen. I'm a big fan of podcasts, and video plays in that space where it's not just reading, it also has an audio component, which a lot of your audience will appreciate.
And the third tip is video helps you rise above the noise. Today we have Slack channels and Telegram groups with tens of thousands of people in them, and they're all full of random side conversations, bots, and hello, welcome to the community. The hardest thing to do is to scroll through and figure out, when is the community moderator actually making an announcement about how the company's changing, a new industry that's getting involved, or something that I can either figure out I should spend more time on this conversation, or if I should move on to the next token and invest my time in something that's progressing faster. When you put a video in the feed, people can scroll right to it and they know that that thumbnail is highly produced, it's from you, and it's going to have all the information that they want to know. No one else in your feed is spending enough time to actually produce video or have articles with highly produced content. So it'll help you rise above the rest of the community and insert your dominance as the person running the conversation.
And that's 3 reasons why you should use video to engage your crypto community. This is Bryan Colligan.
And I'm Rosse Gates. And for more tips and insights on the crypto industry, feel free to see us back here, subscribe to our channel.
And you can learn more information from alphagrowth.io.